I just sneezed everywhere. It's all up in my helmet and all over my, It's gross. Oh, I see the snot. I see the spit. Oh God, that's disgusting. Sneezing in your helmet is not a good idea. I'm trying to see what it is so I'm able to, I can't even fucking wipe it. Oh God, it's all over. Ew! When I mean it's everywhere, I mean it's everywhere. Like, Jesus Christ. Let's just go for it. Go, just go. It's so gross. Ew, it's so gross. I think it's connected from my nose to the thing. I can't tell. It feels like it is because I'm feeling resistance every time I move my nose. Oh God. Oh, I'm going too much over the speed limit. Oh my God. You drop down. It is, I just touched it with my mouth. Ew. Go! I can smell it. I can smell the spit. Because I just brushed my teeth and I can smell the mint. Why do people feel the need to just stop right there? I mean, the light's green. You don't gotta stop. I hate you. So much. So much. Just so much. You are allowed to go. You are able to go. Is there a car from? There is. God dang it. I guess this is the perfect opportunity to freaking. Ew. That was gross. Alright. Yes. What? You're staring at me. What you want? Oh, you're staring at your child. Or something in the back. A pamphlet, if you will. Can we go? It's still on my face. Ew. Blah. That was disgusting. Ew. That was so goddamn. No. It's still on my nose. Oh my God. Go. You son of a bitch, go! Well, I can't do anything about it. It is like all up in my helmet. All up in my helmet. Okay, I'm gonna park over here because it was so much easier to do it here instead of over there. Alright, ugh.